Hello, my name is Jane Wilks and I'm Head of Howell's Senior School and College Library. It's a joy to work in this library, which is at the heart of the main senior school building. It's a well-used, well-loved and well-stocked resource. We have a wonderful collection of fiction, non-fiction and reference books. But the key thing I think we offer is a space for your daughter to explore and develop a lifelong love of reading for pleasure. Along with my deputy, Mrs. Willow Norman, we aim to create a reading and research space that is a warm, welcoming and inclusive space for your daughter. We hope that your daughter will know that before, during and after school timetabled hours, the library will always welcome her with a smile, whether she's joining us to lose herself in her favourite novel for half an hour, catch up with friends to watch the weekly Friday film, or join one of the many activities we run here, from our well-attended weekly book club to themed book weeks, literary quizzes and author talks. We have been privileged to welcome some fantastic writers to Howell's, such as former Children's Laureate Anne Fine, Murder Most Ladylike author Robin Stevens and young Bond author Charlie Higson. Our students tell us that meeting real-life authors and hearing them talk about their work inspires their own creativity and aspirations. In Year 7, your daughter will enjoy timetabled library lessons with me, where we will discuss what we love about literature, explore different styles of writing, as well as taking time to simply enjoy the pleasure of a reading hour during a busy week. These lessons are a highlight of my week. We get to know your daughter's interests, order books based on the recommendations, and develop our library service to reflect what our children want and need to support their emotional development, as well as support their academic studies. At Howell's, we believe that your daughter's emotional well-being is vital. As librarian, I believe that the library supports this by offering your daughter a place where she can explore and engage with the excitement and indeed challenges of the world around her through reading. I look forward to meeting your daughter and welcoming her to her new library.